Hi friends, today I have come with exercise 6.1 which is based on the explanation done in the previous video where you have studied the squares of numbers from 1 to 20 and also you have studied about the property. So your first question, what will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? The first number you have is 81, where the digit at units place is 1. So remember the property which you have studied about. If a square has 1 in its units place, then that number is going to be square of what? 1. Okay. So the question which you can see here, what will be the unit digit of the squares of the given number? So the unit digit of the square of 81 will have 1 in its units place. Okay. Same thing, if I sit to square 272, as it is having 2 in its units place, its square will have what? Its square will have 4 in its units place. Okay. What does the question require from you is telling you? It is asking about the number at the units digit of the squares of the given number. If I square 799, then इसके स्क्वायर के यूनिट्स प्लेस पर कौन सा डिजिट होगा? तो here 799 it ends with 9. So when you square it, the digit at units place will also have 1. It will have 1 in its units place. Understood? इस क्वेश्चन को समझने के लिए मैं एक एग्जांपल दिखाती हूँ, क्योंकि ये आप खुद आंसर करोगे. आई विल नॉट बी प्रोवाइडिंग यू PDF ऑफ question number 1, 2, 3, okay, and 4 and 5 is based on certain pattern which you have to understand and fill in the missing digits. So till 6 no answers will be provided in the PDF form. I'll be starting with question number 7. बाकी के questions में मैं oral explanation is enough, so you can write it on your own. Well, exercise 6.1. In this exercise, question number 1, you can better understand if I give you one example or if I do the first one for you, so you can understand what the question wants to say. What it is asking, if I square this, if I write the square of 81 in the answer, what will be the digit in units place? In ones place, what will be the digit? Okay. For that, if I take an easier example, if I write, say, take 13. If I take square of 13, what will be the digit at units place? तो आपको उसका स्क्वायर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You need not sit and square it and then write the answer. आपको वो प्रॉपर्टी याद करना है जो आपने सीखा है प्रीवियस वीडियो में. अगर यूनिट्स प्लेस पर 1 है तो उसके स्क्वायर के आंसर में भी यूनिट्स प्लेस पर क्या होगा? 1 विल बी देयर. अगर यूनिट्स प्लेस पर 3 है, व्हेन आई स्क्वायर इट, इट विल बी हैविंग 9 इन इट्स यूनिट्स प्लेस. जैसे मुझे पता है कि स्क्वायरिंग ऑफ 13 गिव्स यू 169. सो व्हाट इज देयर इन द यूनिट्स प्लेस? 9 इज देयर इन इट्स यूनिट्स प्लेस. दिस इवन आई कैन टेल विदाउट स्क्वायरिंग द नंबर. स्क्वायर किए बिना ही मैं बता सकती हूँ फ्रॉम द प्रॉपर्टी कि अगर ये 13 है, उसको स्क्वायर करते हैं तो उसके यूनिट्स डिजिट पर 9 होगा. अगर मैं लेती हूँ 43, when I square it, what will be having in its units place in the square? 9. अगर आपको चेक करना है तो आप चेक कर सकते हो. मल्टीप्लाई इट. So can you see? You can see that 9 is there in its units place. So this is what the question wants to ask you without squaring. Just looking at the number, you have to tell on squaring this number, the answer which you get, what will it have in its units place. Units digit पर यूनिट्स प्लेस पर कौन सा डिजिट होगा ये आपको बताना है फ्रॉम द प्रॉपर्टी विच यू हैव स्टडीड. सो हाउ विल यू राइट? नथिंग डूइंग. नंबर 1 लिखा, 81 लिखा और 1 विल बी द आंसर. और एल्स you have to write it in statement form that the unit digit of the you can take of the 81 square is 1. Okay, you have to write like this. The unit digit of the 81 square is 1. This is how you have to write. I can help you with the second one also. 272. What will you write? The unit digit of the 272 square is 4, because you know square of 2 is 4. Is that clear? This is how you have to answer question number 1. Hope it's clear to you. You have understood the question. Now we will directly move on to question number 7, which tells you to find the sum without adding. Okay, and look at the question. These are the sum of odd numbers. Sum of odd numbers tells you square of a particular number. Okay, it gives you square of particular number. Suppose without adding only you can tell. Consecutive odd numbers are taken. Sum of consecutive odd numbers are taken. मतलब 1 के बाद ऑड नंबर क्या आता है? 3. 3 के बाद तुरंत ऑड नंबर कौन सा आता है? 5. 5 के बाद का ऑड नंबर 7. 7 के बाद का ऑड नंबर 9. सो दे आर कंसेक्यूटिव ऑड नंबर्स एंड दे आर एडेड. सो ऑन एडिंग व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? तो आपको ऐड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ आप देख लो कितने ऑड नंबर्स है. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 ऑड नंबर्स आर देयर. तो यू टेक द स्क्वायर ऑफ 5. Square of 5 is what? 25. So when you add these numbers, you will get 25 as an answer. Let's check it. देखते हैं अगर होता है कि नहीं, सही है कि नहीं. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 7 16 and 16 plus 9 is 25. है ना magic? Isn't it a magic? It's not a magic, it's mathematics. These are the techniques which you have to use when you add consecutive odd numbers. In that case, the answer which you get, it is a square of a particular number. तो कैसे आपको पता चलेगा? सिर्फ आप देख लो कितने odd numbers लिए गए हैं. How many odd numbers are taken? But it should be consecutive odd numbers. Remember, एक के बाद का एक जो consecutive, एक के बाद जो दूसरा odd number आता है वही सीरीज़ में आपको ऐड करना है. So here you check how many odd numbers are there and you check whether they are the consecutive odd numbers or not. Yes, it is 1 3 5 7 9. None of the odd numbers are skipped out. Continuous odd numbers are taken. तो सिर्फ आपको देखना है कितने odd numbers है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 odd numbers are there. So what is the square of 10? 10 tens are 100. So when you add this number, you should get 100. That will be the sum of this number. Check it, you will get the answer. Okay, so this is what we have to do in question number 7.